Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Alpine Linux 3.18.5 on VirtualBox 7.0 with GNOME Desktop. Okay, with GNOME Desktop. So here I am not going to install guest edition fully. Okay, only partially I am going to install the guest edition. Okay, so make sure that you have installed the updated version of VirtualBox 7.0. Okay, so first up is I am creating one Alpine Linux 3.18.5 virtual machine. Next I am browsing the folder path where I am going to store the Alpine Linux virtual machine. Next I am going to browse the ISO image. Okay, Alpine Linux extended. Okay, next I am selecting the Linux flavor. Okay, so I am selecting other. Okay, other Linux 64-bit. Okay, next I am allocating 8 GB RAM and 4 CPU cores. Finish. Okay, once again go to settings, system, motherboard, uncheck the floppy. So optical drive is the first device in boot order. Okay, internet connection, we need an internet connection, it will be net. Okay, okay, that's it. Let us start. Yes, so first step is we need to log in as a root user. Just type root, enter, that's it. It will log into the Arch Linux. Okay, now first command, setup-alpine. Okay, setup, one minute, okay, press the tab, setup-alpine. Okay, so select your keyboard layout. So select your keyboard layout. Okay, keyboard layout is got selected. So I am giving on host name alpinegnome.in. So ETHO is my network interface card, and DHCP, I am selecting DHCP. So dynamically IP address will be allocated. So next I am providing the password for root user. Next I am going to select the time zone. So I am selecting the time zone according to my local. Okay, Asia, Calcutta. Okay. So HTTP proxy I am giving none. Which HTTP client? I am selecting Crony. Sorry, NTP client I am selecting Crony. So next step is I am selecting the mirror. So I am giving the number 1. Okay, so I am going to give the number 1. That's it. So mirrors will be updated in one file. Okay, next I am creating one login user and provide the password for the login user. Okay, SSH key none, I am not having SSH key. Okay, next I am selecting open SSH. Okay, finally I am selecting the virtual address SDA. Okay, so SDA is a virtual hard drive name which we are going to format. Next I am selecting the sys. Okay, sys. Okay, that's it. Once you confirm with the sys, installation will be started. Okay, so all the basic installation is done. Okay, so all the basic installation is done, and that SDA virtual address is got formatted and installed. Now I have rebooted. Okay, so go to Alpine Linux setting system. Hard disk will be the first device. Once again, start the Alpine Linux from hard disk. So from hard disk, I am booting the OS. Okay, so now provide the login username which I have created during the installation. Provide a password for the login user. Yes, I can able to log in successfully. Okay, first step what I am doing, I am updating the repositories. So I want main and community, both I want. Okay, so community URL we need because we are going to install the GNOME Desktop. Okay, for that reason I need that community repository. Okay, so you can update it in /etc/apk repository file. Okay, now I am running the command setup-xorg-base. Okay, so this xorg-base is necessary to set up the graphics. Okay, xorg-base setup -xorg-base. Okay, next command is apk add xf86 underscore video underscore fb dev. Next xf86 video intel. Next xf86 video visa. So these are important video drivers we needed. Okay, next I am going to install driver for mouse. Okay, I think 1 minute. xf86 input VM mouse. So this driver is needed for mouse. So finally I am going to type one lengthy command. Okay, so I have provided this lengthy command in the description of the video. So this will install all components in the GNOME. Okay, GNOME Desktop. So GNOME calculator, GNOME calendar, GNOME clock, everything, GNOME panel, Firefox browser, whatever you want you can install. Libreoffice also it's installed. Okay, so all the required components for GNOME Desktop is got installed now. So we need to apk add pciutils. Okay, rc update add. So this pciutils is a very important driver we need to install. Okay, so I installed pciutils. rc update add udev. Next rc update add dbus. Okay, so make sure that you added these two services. Okay, next finally I am adding GDM is a GNOME Desktop Manager. Okay, rc update add GDM. So these three services are added in the startup of the operating system. Okay, now I am rebooting. Okay, So all the command I have provided in the description of this video. Make sure that you are gone through the description of the video. So please go through the description of this video for commands. Okay. So some of the components in the GNOME Desktop might not be working in Alpine Linux. Okay. So I am not be responsible for that. Okay. So only few components will be working. Okay. So I have removed the components which is not working. For example, GNOME terminal not working. Okay. For me it's not work. So instead of GNOME terminal, I have installed the black box terminal. Okay. Let me show you one by one. So first let me adjust the display. Okay. So I can able to adjust the screen resolution. So first step is success. Okay. So basic screen resolution I can able to adjust it. So that I can able to do. Next let me show you one by one. So these are the utilities components I have installed. Yes, VLC media player I can able to open. Okay, VLC media player I can able to open. So currently I am not having any file. I will show you later. Next I am opening other components one by one. Let me check. This is GNOME console. Okay, this is alternate for GNOME terminal. Okay, GNOME console. System monitor also it's working fine. System monitor. Next Libreoffice. Oh sorry, this is the black box terminal. Okay, this is the black box terminal. So I can able to run command in black box terminal. So this is Libreoffice. So Libreoffice also I can able to open and run. Okay, Firefox browser also I can able to open, and this is the editor. Okay, text editor also I can able to open. Sound recorder, yes, I can able to open sound recorder also. So you can test the applications one by one. Okay, so file manager I can able to open. So file manager is a very basic thing. So from file manager you can open the console. Okay, so these are the graphical applications I installed in GNOME Desktop with Alpine Linux 3.18.5. Okay, so now I am going to configure shared folders. Okay, I am going to configure the shared folders. So I need to install guest addition software. Okay, so what I do, I shut down the machine. Okay, shut down the machine. I am mounting one shared folder. Okay, so without installing guest addition, I am checking whether I can able to access the shared folder. Okay, auto mounting the shared folder. So let me start. Okay. Okay, you can see that shared folder is not mounted. So without installing VirtualBox guest-addition, shared folder is not mounted for me. For me, it's not working. Okay, so I am trying to open as a root user. For root user also, I am not able to see the shared folder. So shared folder anywhere it's not mounted. Okay. So what I am going to do, I open the black box terminal. So I am going to install the guest addition, VirtualBox guest-additions. So these are the commands to install guest-addition software in Alpine Linux. Okay, apk add VirtualBox guest-additions, VirtualBox guest-additions x11. Okay. So after installing, I am adding the service RC update add VirtualBox guest-additions. Boot. Okay, that's it. So make sure that you are running this commands as a root user. Okay. Okay. Next, once again I am adding another service, RC update add VirtualBox DRM client boot. Okay. Okay, I'm powering up the virtual machine. So after rebooting, you can see that shared folder is got mounted here. Okay, shared folder is got mounted. Let me try to open the terminal. So only root user can see the content of shared folder. Yes, I can able to view the content of shared folder, but I am unable to use the shared clipboard and drag and drop feature. Okay, so shared folder is only working